Command Station. This is ST-321, code clearance blue. We're starting our approach. Deactivate the security shield.
Security deflective shield will be deactivated when we have confirmation of your code transmission. Stand by.
You are clear to proceed. We're starting our approach.
Inform the commander that Lord Vader's shuttle has arrived.
Sir.
there is no white. There are only shades of. Let's go, Wild Rock! To the wall, jump! Done. All right. Yo, Wild Rock, how you motherfuckers doing tonight? I know. Check it out. In America, it's like this. The big man. Hold on. Football, you bet. Association football. All right. This next song goes out to all our Down for Life brothers and sisters right here in the Netherlands. And your motherfuckers know who you are. Everybody's been coming out and representing underground hardcore music, and especially Biohazard for all these years. I want to do a fucking, make some noise, come on. All right. This next song is a demonstration of strength, unity, power, and togetherness. Let me see you motherfuckers all together now. Are you with me? Are you with me? Jump, 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 jump.
What makes us dance?
Thank you, bro. This is urban discipline. Motherfucking noise.
Guten Abend. Hoe gaat het met jullie? Het is goed hier te zijn. Dankjewel. Wij houden van Holland. Dankjewel. Luken in de Koegen. Luken in de Koegen. Open Ota.
That's command, bro.
Not bad, right?
All right. This next song is going out to our motherfucking boys in the Deftones. Give it up. Let's show us some old school shit right now. Are you ready? Taking it back to the old school. Are you ready? I want to see this whole place jumping from the front to the back, from the side to the side. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Give it up. Hey, hey, hey! Bunch it up! Thank you very much. All right. So, this is a good time for me to tell you motherfuckers that we've been in the studio for about the last 6 months working on a new album. It's coming out on the 11th of September. It's called Uncivilization. And I know you motherfuckers are gonna dig this shit because we feel you. Because we know you feel us. We're gonna do one now from New World Disorder. Let me motherfuckers say, New World Disorder! I said, New World Disorder! I said, New World Disorder! All right, this song is going out to our good friends from the other coast, Suicidal Tendencies. Come on, give it up, man, give it up. I'll tell you what, never in America will you see the Deftones, Biohazard, and Suicidal Tendencies before. This song's about standing up for what you believe in and fighting till you die. No matter what the cost, dying for what you believe. I ain't gonna die for a beer can holder though. I'm gonna try to keep my foot out of my mouth, my hoof out of my mouth, so we can have more festivals. No foot in mouth. Goes like this. You'll never bring me down. Going back to the Urban Discipline album. Let me see your motherfucking hands up. To your song about racial equality and bullshit fascist attitudes. This song is called Black and White and Red All Over. Come on. Put your hands together, come on. Show up behind the closet door. Where will we live? Where will we burn? Abuse the residents, the way will we turn?
Can anybody hear them cry? Can anybody tell them why? You gotta read between their lines. If you don't know it,
Love is denied. For a minute, wretched I learned to be like you. Ain't gonna live like you. You made me what I am today. Those two look so far away. Living with no chill. And the home, nothing to build. I think that I love you forever, still.
can anybody hear them cry? Can anybody tell them why? You gotta read between their lines. If you don't know it,
Love is denied.
can anybody hear them cry? Can anybody tell them why? You gotta read between their lines. If you don't know it,
Love is denied. Big break. Set me free. And when you die away from life, living on the edge of the
top of the night,
I can't blame you, I never been around. I never met her breaking down. All right. You want to hear some motherfucking brand new Biohazard or what? I can't hear you motherfuckers. And I know you're louder than that. I said, do you want to hear some motherfucking brand new Biohazard or what? That's more like it. This next song is from Under Civilization. The song is about the selfish, barbaric nature of humankind. Will you sing with us? Will you sing with us? It goes like this. Hate, fuck, fight, kill. Hate, fuck, fight, kill. Fuck, You got bass in the house, Bruce? All right, can I get some lights on my motherfucking people out here? More lights, I want to see everybody. That's right. How you motherfuckers doing, all right? You having a good time? You know what? This is what it's all about. People getting together to feel the fucking unity, feel the positivity, release all your negative energy, and get it motherfucking together, have a fucking party, that's right? All right, I want to see a great big, gigantic motherfucking circle pit. Right here in fucking near Friesland, let's go. Everybody in the middle, move. In the middle, move back, move to the sides. I want to see the fucking ground where the hoof and mouth disease is. Bigger, gross. More big, big. More, big, 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 go, go. Go, big, go, go, go. Trust me, I'm a professional, I've done this before. Go. Bigger.
Grote kring.
Okay. Tell me, make it bigger. Grote. Bigger, right? I only got one thing to say. A lot of these festivals are getting a lot of problems because people are getting hurt. So let's show these motherfuckers we know how to have a good time with nobody getting hurt. If somebody falls down, please pick them back up. And the circle goes this way, it's circle of fucking unity. All right? If somebody falls down, pick them back up because you wouldn't want to get your fucking head kicked in if you got caught out there on the wrong side of the tracks. Everybody okay? Get them all up, get them up. Okay? One more time, let's do it. Exclamation for the street. That's what somebody can be. When you see it, find your name. Some motherfucker was so ignorant of the rule. Side of the train. On the road. Side of the train. And when you're in Brooklyn, or motherfucking Netherlands, you best watch your baby.
Sign off the tracks!
No way from around the way, you better not stray on the road.
Sign off the
Sign on the
tracks!
5-0, didn't know where to go, never should have stepped on the road.
Sign off the tracks!
Hey yo, I'm good to go, gotta get back to the road side of the dirt. Yeah,
Across the tracks!
All right. Netherlands. Let me see your fucking fist in the air. Let me see your fist in the air. Everybody just pump your fist like this. Pump your fist like this. Pump, pump, pump your fist like this. Pump your fist like this. Let me say biohazard. Let me say biohazard. Let me say biohazard. Let me say down for life, motherfucker. Oh shit. Motherfuckers are tight. Alright, I got one. Let me say suicidal. Let me say death shows. Let me say Jackson. Let me say biohazard. Let me say biohazard. Let me say biohazard. Let me say down for life. Go. That's my motherfucking niggas, yeah. Alright. This one's for my boys from Cypress Hill. Let me see your hands up in the air. Everybody, throw your hands like this. Throw your hands, throw your hands, throw your hands like this. Coming out the slum, but it's too long to put up my gun out on all you want. Bring it on when you wanna come fight it. I'm walking it like Billy Ray Cypress Hill. Yo, I bust that grill, grab my gun and blow out the steel. If you wanna get drastic, I'm on plastic, black, automatic, synthetic, material, burial, plastic, oil. Get it down to the Mexican port. Open that Sally, Northern Valley. Gonna put a slug in Captain O'Malley. Home, you think I'm home. See what you do, if you see the killer man. But I'll be damned if I don't take a stand.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. Come on, hon. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like motherfucking that. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
Count high strong, think I'm sprung. Couldn't no live for the humdrum. Where I'm from, the gasoline smoking. I'll be damned if you think I'm joking. Know that I come with a static erratic. Full 5 automatic. Beaming at you, the red lights beaming at you. No need to have to run out. Pump gas up, the oven I'll cook. Dig the grave for the one who got clean. Now he's under. Don't make Stevie wonder why. Cause it'll testify. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out like that. Come on, come on.
I got to thinking, what the fuck is this? Let you know I take care of business. Can I get a witness to verify when I depict this styles to make you ecstatic? Then when I get to pull out my magic ruler, when I roll with the crew, like you one time can't find my hoop. When you belt on fun. Big rolling out, buddy, ain't that some? Go to the curb, so we exchange a few words. You got me stirred up, enough to grab the handcuff. I'll then pop and blow your head off. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out like that.
Donkey Bell.
Thank you, good night, peace. question, not me. It only happens to others. I can't deny reality as life. Thank you very much. Brothers and sisters, thanks to all the bands who played tonight. Deftones, Suicidal, special shout out. Thanks to all our friends for coming out. I'm talking about all you die-hard hardcore motherfuckers coming out representing for Holland, for Netherlands, for Biohazard, for your fucking scene, keeping it real, keeping it alive. Thank you very much. We love you motherfuckers. Thank you. We're gonna be playing in September when our new album comes out. We're doing a show here in the Netherlands with Pantera, Slayer, Biohazard, Static X, Cradle of Filth. Be there or have no motherfucking underwear. Our new album's called Uncivilization, comes out September 11th. We'll see you next time. Until then, watch each other's backs. Keep your motherfucking head up and hold your motherfucking own. Let's do this. Guess what? I ain't fucking around. Take the 9 to 5 on our show. I'm going hard. Oh boy, yo. One love for Biohazard. See ya. Deftones.